Hi everyone, very good evening. This is Karthik from Raj Cloud Technologies. I welcome you all to today's cyber security and ethical hacking batch number 3, session number 1. We have already completed the demo sessions. Okay, so if you want to see our demo sessions, you can just go to our YouTube channel. This is our YouTube channel, Raj Informatica Real-Time Hands-on Job-Based Training. We have almost 36,000 subscribers and 470 plus videos we have uploaded here already. You can check it out. Okay, 36K subscribers and 479 videos are uploaded. Okay, and these are the, if you go to the video section, so these are the videos that we have uploaded in our YouTube channel: cyber security, AWS and DevOps, Informatica Cloud, Power BI, AWS data engineering, and many other tools, courses are, many other videos are available on different technologies here. Okay, just visit our channel once. If you like the video, if you like our content, give like, comment on it, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. If you want to get the notification, just click on bell icon so that you are going to get the complete notifications whenever we upload any video. Got it? Yes. And we have our own website as well. That is razinformatica.com. This is our website. In our website, if you can see here, just this is our home page. Just scroll down the home page. Okay, you can see the software training that we offer. Okay, we are offering generative AI program, informatical data quality and cloud data quality, AWS data engineering, Azure data engineering and Databricks, Snowflake in the combination of DBT and ADF, Informatica Power Center, Informatica Cloud ISS IDMC, AI plus machine learning, cyber security and ethical hacking, Microsoft Power BI, data analyst program, GCP professional certification training, SAP S4HANA and FICO, Python full stack development, Python for AI and chat GPT, Salesforce training, and AWS and DevOps. These are the courses that we are offering right now in Raj Cloud Technologies. If you just scroll up, there is a section called upcoming free live sessions. This is a section where you can get the complete Zoom links of any of our demo. Okay, so you can see here today's demos as well. Cybersecurity plus ethical hacking, 17th September at 7 p.m. Okay, and 22nd September at 8 p.m. generative AI. 25th September at 6 p.m. Microsoft Power BI. So this is how we will provide our upcoming free live demonstration links as well here in our website. Okay. Apart from these things, there are many things. Many other things are also there. Interview questions, materials, internship programs, and many others. Got it? These are the things that we are offering right now from Raj Cloud Technologies. So let's get into the complete course of cybersecurity and ethical hacking. Just go to the courses section here and click on cybersecurity. Okay, so this is our page. This is our page where you can see the complete information about the cybersecurity and ethical hacking program. As I said we have done with one introduction class as well, right? In the video section, if you see here, this is the introduction video. I am sharing right away over Zoom chat. Yeah, here is a link. I have shared it with you. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so this is the page where you can see the complete information about cybersecurity program. So this is a 2 months program. We are going to cover the complete end-to-end real-time training, real-time projects, interview questions, resume preparation. Everything will be covered here. And this course duration is 2 months, weekly 5 days, Monday to Friday. So morning 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. IST, we are having a classes. So Vinod, please don't animate my screen. Yeah. Okay. So, and our course price is 16,999. This is our course price. Okay. Our course duration is 2 months. From today, we are starting a new batch. This is our first session. As this is the first session, we have given the links for everyone, even the paid people, not paid people, everyone is available in the session today. but we will take only 10 registrations. We will take only 10 registrations for the batch. Got it? Yes. Okay. So before starting the session, I just like want to collect your name and WhatsApp numbers so that I can share the today's session recording and material as well. You can drop your name and WhatsApp number over Zoom chat so that you can get the today's session link as well. Today's session recorded link as well. You will be getting it. Okay. So start sharing your name and WhatsApp numbers here so that we can start the session in next 1 to 2 minutes. I am just like giving you a time of 2 minutes where you can drop your name and WhatsApp numbers here. Thank you, Ravi Garu. Thank you, Banu. Okay, so the timer is started. Please keep posting your name and WhatsApp numbers so that like we can add it to the group as well. And we are going to provide you the today's session recorded link as well. Got it? Yes, thank you. Thanks for sharing your contacts. Thanks for sharing your contacts. If you haven't shared yet, the chat box is still open. You can keep sharing your name and WhatsApp number here. Okay? Yeah. Rima garu, over to you, please. Thank you.
Hi everyone. One second, I will share my screen. Okay. So this is our first session. I think my screen is visible to you and my voice is clear. Anybody can just confirm in the chat box. I'm audible and my screen is visible. Anybody from the group, can you write a message? Yeah, you can unmute and you can talk also. Hello. Okay, okay. One second. I just
Yes, very much
okay,
audible.
okay. Sorry. Okay, I know dragged scroll the message. Okay. So today is our first session. Before starting this session, it's anything what is comes in your mind. It is in between. You can ask the doubt. You don't have to wait till the end to ask the doubt. And preferably, instead of message, you can just unmute and you can talk. After your question, you can mute your mic because other participant may be the back end noise and all. It will be disturbance. Or again and again, there is no right and wrong answer. Whatever comes in your mind, you ask. This is not only for today's or tomorrow's session. From the first session to last session, again and again, it is telling, please ask your queries. First thing. Second, be regular. So when you are one day you are attending, second day you are not attending, there may not be connectivity. You will feel discomfort in that. Okay, initial sessions only, there are theoretical parts are there, initial what is cyber security, all these things, only the theoretical part. Actually this training, this is, I can say, it is 80 percentage theory, practical, and related theories are there. So that's the reason, whoever possible, try to log in through the laptop. Okay. So I'm
Hello,
going to
Rima.
yes, yes.
Hi, this is Ravi. Rima, I just wanted to check, in this trading, because my background is totally infrastructure guy, right?
Okay.
I just wanted to add on this skill and need to know how the market is for the cybersecurity. And I think Linux is also you will teaching Linux as well, right? On this, if I'm
So
not
this
wrong.
session from the very beginning, see, this is there may be some people who's from the network background, there may be someone from the Linux background, there may be someone from the application background. So irrespective of whatever the background you are coming, we are starting this session from the very scratch to advanced topic. So that's the reason you don't have to bother. Only I'm telling your persons, your queries, regular attendance, and your queries. That is the only thing expecting from you. Uh, so you don't have to worry if you are from the infrastructure, if you are from the application side, whatever it is, or everything from the scratch we are starting. So that's the reason you don't have to worry for that. You are from any field, you don't need any prerequisites. Only be regular in the session, ask questions. That is the only thing. Now, second question, what you asked about the market, correct? So,
Exactly. Yes.
cyber security market. I said, if you, I don't know, you attended the demo or not, correct? You
No,
attend?
no,
No.
I
Okay.
haven't.
Okay. We already discussed this thing. See, security incidents are increasing, correct? So, if you see any of the example, if a vegetable vendor also, if you go, they are using Paytm, Google Pay, and everything. Means everywhere digitalization is there. Net bank now, almost everybody, if you say, they are doing operating their bank account from home, correct? Net banking or mobile application they are using. Applications are increasing, that means attacks are increasing, correct? Attacks are increasing, that means security person is required. Clear it is. And again, he already shared the demo link in the say from the backend team. They already shared the demo link in the chat box. You can go through the chat box.
Sure.
Still, if you are having any query, you can ask. So market, you said, again, I'm not going the repeated topics. If I say, other participant may be bit irritating, it is again and again I'm talking. So this is our first session, so
No, no,
I
no
will
problem. I'll check the demo. No problem
okay,
at all.
but still, but very fast, I will just tell you, security is not a technology. So cloud is a technology, AI is a technology, programming is a technology, everything. IoT is a technology, a mobile application it is a, but when I'm talking about security, security is needed everywhere. If you are designing a network, it should be secure. If you are developing an application, it should be secure. If you are going for an IoT, it should be secure. Cloud, using a cloud, it should be secure. Even the artificial intelligence is using, that should be secure. So that's the reason, whatever technology that may be at present, maybe AI is in boom, ML is in boom, whatever it is, maybe tomorrow some other new technology can be there, but cybersecurity person persistently required in all these domains. So that's the reason, selecting the cybersecurity means you are ensuring every technology, wherever it is there, whatever it is there, irrespective of the time, this thing, anything, any technology which is there in the market, it needs security. That is the only thing I can say now. Just go through the demo video link already provided. Still, if you are having doubt, you we can discuss it.
Sure, definitely. And the second thing is like a timing would be like 8 a.m., right? IST, correct?
Correct.
So now it is PM. So next class would be on like in
No,
the morning.
actually, next class also the same time it will be. Most probably, whatever it is, you will get an update later. So
Hmm.
timing, session, all these things update in the starting, yeah, ending, or in the group you will get.
Yeah. So why I'm asking, there's a reason basically like I'm from Canada, right? So
Uh,
my time is 10:30 p. You know. 10:30.
Yeah,
Sorry, I'm
I
sorry.
understood there are many
Mumbai 10
participants
10
who's
p.m.
from out of India. That communication you will get through the message in the group. So
No,
you
that's okay. See, the thing is,
then
I'm looking for something, like so that I can attend in the evening time, right? Instead of
no,
morning.
I said again that is not in my hand. The backend, see, my part is the assigned time I have to complete the training. So
Mm-hmm.
time related, duration related, all this discussion you can have in the group or personally you can chat with the
Sure.
backend team
I'll do that.
because
Okay.
that is not in my hand. So there is no
No,
point
I
if you,
completely agree. I don't have any idea about that. Like you
yeah.
that
So
time is not
okay.
in your hand, so I
So
get to know.
yeah, that all the updates you will get regular updates without any delay. You will get it in the group, and if it is
Mm-hmm.
not related to anyone, it's not only you, anybody having any concern, you can directly message with the backend team or in the group also you can communicate. Okay.
Yeah.
Anything else before starting the session? Anybody else? Any other
Yeah,
concern?
I have a question.
Yes, all your queries you can ask. You don't have to worry about what others will think and all because we are having enough time to discuss all these things in our session. Yes, you
Yes.
can ask.
So, is it possible to complete this cybersecurity course within 2 months? Because I mean, will you cover everything? Like, I mean,
See,
how?
see at the end, you said 2 months it is possible or not. There are, it is totally depending on the participants. There are participants even it will not take even 2 months. They are very fast. They are doing the practice and they are completing the session regularly. Then it can complete even more than earlier also. The only concern is more than the 2 month, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. The topics are covered or not. That guarantee I can give. After completing the session, every batch I will ask, you need more practice or not? Yeah, anything else required from your end? My end is required. So, when the participant usually say no, then only we will complete the session, wind up the session. That you don't have to worry.
Okay.
Even I don't know what is your background. There are sessions even 24 hours also it is completing. So that is depending.
So, actually, I'm from data background.
So I said that you don't have to worry. This session is designed the assigned time. Yeah, more than that. Usually it is 2 to 3 session before only we can complete the session. It's usually this session is planned like that. So all the
Okay.
given topics, not if you are feeling you are telling no, I heard this topic is teaching somewhere else. You can discuss that. So, like
Mhm.
that, topics are not there, which is not completing as a cybersecurity ethical hacking course. What all are the see? If I'm only asking one thing, see, usually where as a trainer I am feeling is a disconnect from the participant. So initially everybody having more than 2 months is their requirement, all these things. But once the session start, they will take leave in between and 2 days they will not be there, the third day they will come. So repetition of the topic anyway it's not happening. So if you are regular in the session, this time more than the assigned time we can finish the topic. Because
Okay.
if 2 days if you are coming, 2 days you are not coming, the fourth day the topic what we are teaching that is not totally out of control, correct? So you are
Yeah.
totally new to that topic. If it is regularly participant, one participant is taking leave and asking to repeat the session, second participant also taking, then it will be a regular practice. So cyber security is something you don't have to by heart anything. That is a concept you have to understand. So,
Okay.
so if you are able to understand, so initially I am not telling 1 or 2 days you will feel discomfort, but be just listen the videos again. Every day after completing the session, the same day or next day, you are getting the videos recording, and that document topics what we are covering, you are getting the PDF, and apart from that practicals we are doing. So you are getting enough time to see, this is a 1.5 hour session we are doing. After that the entire day you are getting time to do the practice, correct? So where the session is for 6 months and all, I am taking sessions like 6 months and all. That is totally a college pass out student. So they, so that is just like a very basic, they 10 times asking them, you do this, you do that, again do the practice 10 times. It's not required, correct? You don't have to spend that much money. You do
Yeah.
the things, do the practice. Now again, to 1.5 hours you are doing the practical here, entire day is with you. There are participant who's working 30 minutes. There are participant who's working 1 hour. So that time is with you. Correct?
Yes.
That you don't, I'm again and again telling for every participant, cyber security is something, it is not mathematics, there is no calculation, but it is like maths. It is, you have to understand the concept, then it is very easy, you don't have to do any practice. But again, practicals, you have to do the practice to make confidence. Theory is required to clear the interview, practical is required to do the job. So in cyber security, there is no actual and virtual is there. Whatever you are doing in your job, the same tools. I said I am a consultant. So whatever tools I am working in my organization for testing, the same tools only we are using. Not only me, any cyber security person, whatever are tools they are using in the industry, same all the tools we are using here. We are completing all the popular tools. Apart
Okay.
from the popular tools, it's your choice. You want to do it, I'm showing you the way where you can do practice. Any one thing, example, I have to find the IP address. One, my purpose is to find the IP address, not to run 10 tools, correct? So
Yeah.
if you are good in one tool, purpose is to find the IP address. Do the work, complete the work as early as possible, go to the next task, correct? So that's the
Yes.
reason. There are ways I will, once I show all, at least most of the things we will do 2, 3 tools. Uh, if alternate tools are there, that is your choice. But actually, it is not required. Any one tool, IP address to find, I am using one tool, I got the IP. There is no point to use second tool and again find the same IP, correct?
Yeah, correct.
So it is practice. If see, everybody's capacity to learn it is different. So my session get over, recording is there with you, documents is with you. Now practicals what we are doing, that you will get it in the recording. It's your choice how much time it is taking you to come make the concept clear. I am not telling everybody after completing this session, second month they started working, but most of the participant they are ready to work. So it is totally depend. There are some participant who will join 3 days, 5 days they will not be there again. 2 days they will come. I am not telling they will able to start the work after 2 months. There are participant who's telling after completing the session I will do the practice. So if you are doing the practice first day onwards, it is not even required you have to complete the before the 2 months completion also. There are people who started appearing for the interview practice they are getting, and they are getting job also. One thing I can guarantee, the what you are doing here, the same thing you have to go to the client side as a job. It is not like that job you will get a training and you have to do something. No, what you are learning here, the same thing you are doing in the job. That's the reason first day onwards, the concept in cyber, there is nothing you are learning theory, unwanted theory. What you are learning, everything is wanted theory only, concept it is. So your practicals are related to your theory is related to the practical. I think you it's clear for you. Enough, the days are enough. That was your question. It's concept based.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Anybody else, anything in your mind you
Second
are.
question, will you be providing like some lab for practice, or like where we will practice this
Okay,
concept?
the lab what is there, that is your laptop. So to we will build the lab in everyone's own laptop only. I will guide you how to build the lab.
Okay.
So paid lab it is there. If you are still feeling no, I don't want to install anything, I can refer you certain places where you can purchase the paid lab.
Okay.
So usually it is, you don't have to pay more. So there are some organization corporate trainings happens, they will not allow to install anything in their computer, so they prefer
Mm.
cloud lab. So
Okay.
again, that is per day they are paying, depending how much hours you are using. Basic it is 250 rupees. If you are, I don't know, that is different rate. I'm not directly dealing with all this. Anybody which is required, I can refer you the number. You can directly talk to them. You can negotiate with them. But again, per day it will come around 450 and all.
Oh,
For the lab you're talking about.
Cloud
that
lab.
much
Cloud lab is there.
costly it is.
Okay.
Different labs are there. Cloud
Mhm.
cloud lab is there where we have to install everything. There are CompTIA labs are there, which is a pre-installed everything is there.
No,
Uh,
tell me one
C-
thing. We can
CH.
we can also create a lab on AWS or Azure.
So I
Can we
said
or not?
that and all, it's your choice.
Okay.
I said, see the basic requirement. See, why should you take the? Then you have to take a cloud service, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Then before starting, I have to teach the cloud, correct?
Yeah.
Not required. So in your
Mhm.
laptop, if you are having a laptop with enough RAM and CPU, the lab you can install in your laptop. Now, still it is your choice. Whatever you want, you select. If you are feeling no, I want to go for a cloud lab, it is your responsibility. You can go for a cloud lab.
And
Clear,
how
Madam,
guys?
much cost will be there for
uh,
that? Like, I mean,
You have to discuss, say cloud lab also, you maybe who's from the cloud background, they you all are already aware how much CPU you are taking, how much RAM you are taking, how much hours you are using. It
no,
is
no. I mean,
billing.
ready-made
It
lab.
is I don't know that much. I directly not dealing. I said it is I don't know how much hours, 8 hours something per day they are charging.
Oh,
450 or
per day.
400 per day. If you are
Madam,
taking the service for 1 month, 2 month, you can discuss with them. If you need the number, I can give the detail.
Okay.
hello, Madam.
Yes.
Thank you.
Madam, after completing the course, how we have to apply? We have to go through Naukri only, madam, to get the job.
After completing, so before the completion, during the session itself, we will discuss resume building. We will create your resume based on the current market requirement. We will create the develop the last 2 3 days. So we are doing
Sir,
that only. Interview preparation,
if
each topic,
if
what
you
can be
gap,
the interview
then
question.
we can fill it, no, madam.
Hello, yes, Vishnu.
Madam, if we have a gap, we can fill it, no, madam.
I can't hear. I not understood. Vishnu, your question was about the interview, correct?
Hello.
Vishnu, what is your question? You asked about the interview,
Is
correct?
no no is talking about the gap. How to fill
Yeah,
the
madam.
gap.
If, for example, after completing the course, we are applying for the jobs through Naukri, then, for example, if you have a career gap, then what we can do, madam?
Okay, that and all, Vishnu, I think it is the first day. Instead of that, that is the topic. It is last 3 days. I said your question only. I said the last 3 days it will be more better to discuss it. Correct?
Okay, okay.
So, because that is not relevant to others also. But still, if you are having query, you can call me. The WhatsApp group you are having my number, then you can call me. Uh,
Madam,
if you are
actually, I
having
was not added in the any WhatsApp group. So
no
where
that
I can
that
join,
no
madam?
that you have to share the number in the chat box. Backend
Yes,
team
madam.
will add you.
Okay, okay. Thank you, madam.
There will be a group creating a group. All the participant who's there, they will be in the group. Anything you can having the query, you can ask it to the any particular person in the group or in the group openly you can ask.
Okay,
Okay,
madam.
career gap and all, it is something that is not relevant for everyone, correct? One
Madam,
thing.
yes, madam.
And more than that, last few days, I said the course is all about preparing you for a cybersecurity job. Now, everyone's personal different scenarios it will be that we can discuss on the while preparing for the interview, resume creation, all this time we can discuss. Anyway, career gap is there nowadays. It is anyway. I'm not leaving your query incomplete. So career gap earlier it was it was a big problem. Nowadays it is telling if there is any genuine reason, you can say what was the reason for the gap. So now companies are accepting that one. Correct? If there is a genuine reason. So if I'm telling no, I applied for the job, I not got the job. That is not a reason. There may be something, maybe the medical issue, yeah, someone was having some issue. What all are, yeah, you are switching to your career, that's the reason. You are preparing for these things. All these things nowadays it's considering. At the same time, if you are able to fill any other any business or anything, if you can show there where you don't have to give a proof, that also you can add it in between. Correct? If you are not having a genuine convincing reason, so you cannot say, I was working with this company, because you have to give the proof. So instead of that, you can say maybe I was taking care of my family business, some emergency, any reason that was, you have to give a convincing answer. Correct? That and all. Is it clear, Vishnu? Hello, Vishnu, are you there?
Yes, madam. I'm there, madam. Okay, madam.
Okay. That is not, see, earlier how much the gap was considering, nowadays it is, they are only asking, it's a human requirement. Due to some reason, they are in gap. So that is a genuine reason.
Madam.
The
Actually,
organization,
I heard that by keeping experience, we can go. That's why I'm asking.
by keeping experience, meaning
By keeping experience, we can try, no, madam. That's I'm asking.
if you are able to show the experience in that place, if you are having proof, that will work.
Okay, madam.
That's the reason I said that is totally your situation based, it is correct.
Yes, madam.
Yeah, that we can discuss at the end. I said how, what is the scenario. I said you said you can show experience, show the experience, that is always better. Okay, if you are showing experience means there is no gap, correct?
Yes, madam.
Okay, anybody else anything to ask, we start the session. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes,
Which company are you working from? Currently, Rima, if you uh,
I am
don't
working
mind.
in an MNC. I don't want to reveal the organization name.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So apart
Fair enough.
from that, anything you can ask.
No, no, we're done. We're done. I think everybody's done now.
Okay. So we are starting introduction to cybersecurity. In between, if you are having any query, you can stop there itself and we can clear the query. Cybersecurity, when I'm talking cyber security. So in the demo itself, we discussed the same point, but I'm just giving more clarity here. When I'm talking about cyber security, I am talking about only digital devices and services. I'm not talking about entire organization. Cyber security, when I'm talking, I am discussing only in these organizations digital
Hello.
devices and services.
Is- Hello, ma'am.
Example, it can be a network, it can be a database, it can be an operating system, it can be any web application, it can be artificial intelligence, it can be cloud, it can be IoT, it can be mobile, anything. When anybody can say what is digital information, yeah, digital data. When I am
Hello.
talking, what all are things comes under digital data?
Hello.
Yes,
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
yes.
Yeah, ma'am, actually, I have done CEH, ma'am, Certified Ethical Hacker,
Okay,
version 8, ma'am.
okay.
Yeah, means in that,
See,
means it's
I think we can start the session. At the end, we will take bit time to answer it. Correct? Because
okay,
there are
okay, ma'am.
many participants who's not interested in someone's uh, 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 concerns. So let them go after that this thing, session. Correct?
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
So we,
No
it's
issue.
better we will start it and we will discuss all the queries later.
No, I'm not talking about the course, ma'am. Just I want to know, like, it's been very long, but I'm not considered about, I'm a tester actually. I want
Rajiv, you
to,
can just like connect with me one to one. Okay, I can help you more. You can just like call me one to one and we can discuss here. You can just like drop me your number. Okay, you just like drop me your WhatsApp number. I'll connect with you personally. Let us start the session, please. Rimagar, go
okay,
ahead,
thank
please.
Okay. So anybody can answer. You don't have to worry. All your queries will get answered. Okay. What is digital devices? Yeah, digital when I'm talking. Anybody can answer it. Where your computers, where your network, where your internet is involved, that areas we call it as digital devices, the digitalization. So where all the digital devices are involved, that only devices to secure, that part we call it as cyber security. So when I'm talking about a organization, how to in the computers how to secure, I'm not talking about computer how to secure, I'm talking inside the computer data how to secure, that is cyber security. Take the computer means some physical theft or anything is there, That part is not coming. So all the devices, digital devices, physical theft and all, I'm not dealing in cyber security. Cyber security, we are dealing the device data, yeah, information, how to secure. That is only in digital areas. That we talk about the cyber security. At the same time, there is one more opportunity, a job opportunity is there, where we are discussing about entire organization's security, including the physical security. There is physical theft, all these things. That we call it as information security. So usually these two terms are bit similar, information security and cyber security, but actually these two things are entirely different. So, information security, we are discussing about digital and analog data both. Cyber security, we are discussing only about the digital data. Okay. So, here that is we given here. Now, key areas. What all are things comes under networks, digital security, cyber security. It can be network security, data security, endpoint security. Endpoint security meaning every device what is there, that is coming under the identity access management is not part of the cybersecurity course, but it is the if whoever required it, if you are there in the session, we can cover that also. That you don't have to worry. That will able exactly the IAM not in that much detail it is there, but sure we can cover that topic. Okay, so I said these all are areas. Endpoint meaning it can be a laptop, it can be a mobile. Even nowadays, mobile, if you are looking, everything which is there in the mobile, laptop we are using, everything we can use it as a mobile. Every application now, mobile version is there. So application security, identity management, I said it is there, but it is not that much in detail. So it's a IAM is a part, but it is not in detail. But anybody who joined and their requirement is for IAM, that also we can cover in detail. Okay, coming to the next part. Information security, I already said, including the digital and analog security, both the things when you are covering, then we call it as information security. Now we will discuss anywhere when I am talking about cyber security, I have to take care of three things. One is confidentiality, second integrity, third availability. Anyone from the group can define what is confidentiality? Anyone from the group can Anyone from the group can define what is confidentiality? I think Prasad it is correct. Prasad, all your queries at the end we can discuss.
Confidential means keeping secure, man. No one can
Okay.
read.
Confidentiality is not keeping secure. Confidentiality, exactly the definition is unauthorized access should not happen. Only authorized access should happen. That is the difference when you are see there are certain things you will feel it's very non things, and but you need when you are going for an interview you need the correct answer only. See everything what you are learning from the first day to last day, that is security. So that's the reason security, to secure it, that is not the answer anywhere. From the first day to last day what you are learning, everything is to secure. Yeah, it is for security. Exactly, if I say confidentiality meaning only authorized person should access the data. Unauthorized person should not access the data. Now, I think it is clear. This is the definition. Confidentiality meaning only authorized person should access the data. Anybody from the group can say, how can I ensure confidentiality? How can I ensure only yeah, authorized person is accessing the information, yeah, data?
Okay, so I have a question regarding this. The thing is like, do we have any tool to get all the like account, because I think admin and super admin, everybody is there. So do we
See,
have any
okay, what's your name?
Ravi?
Ravi, see, all the tools and all we are learning. The first day we cannot have all the tools here to learn. So
No, no, no.
please,
I'm just saying. I'm just asking.
I
My
said
question.
85% practicalities. So obviously, we are learning tools only.
Yeah. So from
All the
that
cyber
tool.
security from the all the
Mhm,
concept related practicals are there.
mhm.
Clear it is?
Yeah, very much clear. So this word actually I was asking like from the CIA confidential, right? So all the detail we can get fetch it and
I already said no, it is not like that. If a single tool can fetch all the details, then there is no need for cybersecurity engineers.
Mhm.
Correct?
Yep, go ahead, please.
Single tool cannot do all the things.
Yeah,
Cybersecurity is a slow process. One by one, you have to do the testing.
yeah.
It's a time consuming process. It is. When you are going to a company to do the testing, it's a time consuming. Not even
Mhm.
any single tool can complete the work. Just assume if a single tool can complete the work, every organization will go for that tool, run the tool, we
Exactly.
are getting everything. That is not there.
That's right.
That is not
Mhm.
there. Okay. So confidentiality, say how we can ensure confidentiality. Anybody can say? Hiding or altering sensitive data, that is not the answer to only.
By encrypting and decrypting by using
Okay,
key.
okay, correct, you said encryption is one of the answer, password is one of the answer, and what else can do? Always see, think logically. I don't know, there are many participants I can see.
OTPs.
Confidentiality, when we are asking, their question is something else. So instead of that, you think logically and try to answer it slowly, slowly, then only you will able to understand the
Mm.
topic. So
I
try
Using
to
think it
see.
OTP.
would be the MFA.
I am only asking, give me 2-3 days time, and then you think what is required things are getting or not.
Exactly.
The
So
first day
MFA
itself,
should
if
be
you are asking
MFA
the
should.
question, so if the one question I can see IAM course and all, why? See, just go through the content, and then we can discuss what is there, what is not there, that we
Mhm.
can discuss. See, just now, what is confidentiality? If I am asking, uh, uh, Ravi, can you answer what is confidentiality?
See, confidentiality, like it should be, secure. Like, MFA should be configured so that the OTP
That
should
is
be there.
that is the reason I am telling the not only for you. Your concentration is not what I am talking. Confidentiality, you
Okay.
are not answering because
Mm-hmm.
you are discussing about the tools now. First, you understand the confidentiality during the course. Related tools also we will do. Why should I hide the tools? So this course is from very basic. Confidentiality is not security. That security is the answer. Any question, if I ask from the first day to last day, exactly the same example I given. All the questions answer is security. Correct? But if you go for an interview, any question if you ask, they are telling security. That is for security. That is not the answer. Correct? So confidentiality meaning only authorized person should access the data. Unauthorized person should not see. I'm only asking, give me 2 days time. Every day at the end we can have a discussion, then you will realize. But without understanding the concept, if you ask two questions, other person will ask two questions, nobody is gaining anything. Correct? So first you try to understand logically, think and answer. So how to answer it? I already got one answer: encryption. That is the correct answer. Password, that is one of the answer. VPN, that is one of the answer. File permission, that is one of the answer. So you try to note down all these things. You this today itself your interview questions are starting actually. You don't have to wait at the last day to prepare for the interview. So it's a usual question: what is confidentiality? How to ensure confidentiality? I said in cybersecurity there is no like that. I said actual and virtual. Yeah, there is a learning theory. Nothing is there. What you are learning as a theory, every line is an interview question. Okay. So these all are things if I am doing, I can ensure only the concerned person will access my data. If I'm sharing the password, if I'm doing the encryption key, if I am using VPN, then all these things are the answers. Now, second is integrity. Integrity meaning only, yeah, correct, you said, Raji. Authentication. Basically, the answer is authentication. When I am talking about the integrity, integrity is telling data should not be tampered at rest or in motion. When you read it, the first line, every line what I said, what is the difference between cyber security, information security? One interview question it is. What is CIA and how to ensure? It is an interview question. Integrity is telling data should not get tampered at rest or in motion. So, what is your data? That should never get modified. So, data is modified or not modified, there should be some mechanism to understand. Correct? So, who all are joined from the laptop, you will able to do that. I don't know how many of you joined through the laptop. Whoever joined through the laptop, just open this site. I shared a link. Please open the link. Nobody has to worry. Let bit topic we will go through, then we can have a discussion on all these things. Open the link. Anybody who joined through the laptop, please open the link. Done? Anyone joined through the mobile? No, laptop? Hello? Anybody joined through the laptop? Because I am waiting for you to open it. Yes. So, just open the link. You can see here SHA-256, not file. SHA-256 also there. SHA-256 file also there. I just opened SHA-256. Type anything. Type anything of your choice. This data related one integrity value is getting. This data value is deciding data is the same or not. So example, I am sharing something with Omkar. So I should send the data to Omkar, plus I should share the integrity value. It is not able to remember all the numbers, so I am just going through the last two numbers. Last two numbers are 99. Last two numbers I can see it is 99. So I am just making a dot here. The content got changed or not changed. Earlier it was Rema. I made a full stop. Content got changed here or not changed? Anybody can respond. Content got changed or not changed?
No, it's not changed.
Content not got changed, but some changes happened. So you can understand earlier the number was different.
Yeah.
Earlier I said it is 2. So now why integrity is using? When I am using, when I am sharing some file, I am clicking on the SHA-256 file now. Now I am just taking the drag and drop. I am going to any one text file I am taking. Example, I am taking this text file. One of the text file I am taking here. So you can see here the text file. Assume I am sharing this file with Omkar. I should share the file with Omkar. I should share the integrity value also with Omkar. I think Omkar joined through the laptop he is doing. So this is the, when I am sharing this file, assume it is a very sensitive file. I am sharing this file with Omkar and I will share the integrity value also. When Omkar open this file, so Omkar can understand there is no changes happen. While receiving, Omkar also should change the integrity. Check the integrity. I am checking the integrity. I am sharing the integrity value and the file with to Omkar. Omkar, after receiving, Omkar also will check the integrity value. If the value is matching, means the file not changed. So without any doubt, Omkar can use that file. But if the value is changed, what is the meaning value got changed? Anybody can answer. If value got changed, what is the
File
meaning?
content has been changed.
Content has been. Now I will show you how the content is changing. I will just show you. So this is actually some other batch I was just going as a revision part. See, you asked about the tool. Someone asked in the some other participant asked to share the tool name. So almost all the tools we are using in the industry, it is covered here. So that is for some other purpose I made, not for related to you. Okay. So I just given some changes here, correct? Now just see the file got changed. The file I changed some, make some changes. Omkar, if you are doing the practical, you can also open the file which you selected, make some changes in the file. Now, I can see the value here. C6 is the ending number. Now I am going to refresh the page. I am going to take that file again. Now the number got changed. Entire number got changed. Example, last number you can see it is 42. That means anybody who receiving the file, they can understand the value got changed. This is actually integrity check. Integrity check SHA-256, not the only algorithm. You can see here SHA-2. There are different algorithms they are using to check the already there in the market. Different algorithms to check the integrity value. Only one thing, which algorithm you are using for while sending, same algorithm receiver should use to check the integrity is matching or not. Now, again, it is an interview question. What is the difference between encryption and integrity? Anybody in the group can answer. What is the difference between encryption and integrity? These are the points you have to take care. So, we already discussed. So, I said encryption meaning, he already said, I think Vishnu said, I am not remembering, it is for hiding the data. Correct. So, encryption is using to hide the data or make it as a non readable format. Who's having the key, they can only read the data. Integrity, I am not hiding the data. Integrity is only confirming this is the right data or not. Is it clear or not? Anybody having related question, please ask.
Yes, clear. Was clear.
Okay. Now the third, I said confidentiality, integrity, availability. Availability is telling data should be available all the time. So these all three things are ensuring security. Three things are ensuring security: confidentiality, integrity, availability. These three things we call it as three pillars in cybersecurity. Availability is telling data should be available all the time. So how to ensure it? You can have backup. Anybody in the group heard about ransomware attack?
Yes,
Yes.
What is ransomware attack?
means the coder can
It is an attack in which the user demands the
like rat.
system
He
You can't
for
demands.
you
a
can't
ransom.
unlock it, ma'am.
Okay,
Means
there
Hackers
are
steal.
all the answers what I can hear together. You many people answered together. If I say what usually doing, any attacker. I'm not talking. Someone used the term coder. Attackers are not coders. See, as we discussed, I said many tools we are using. All the tools what I showed here, all these tools we are using to do the attack. Based on our requirement, we are doing the attacks. Correct? Based on the see, there are different devices, different vulnerabilities are there. Vulnerability meaning drawback in the system. Based on the drawback, we are doing the attack and we are able to do the attack in the system. So, coder word I am not using. Reason, it is not required, it is not mandatory. Attacker should be a coder. If you know the coding, you are having more freedom to do the work. As an attacker, when you are doing, if you know the coding, you are having more freedom to do the work. You can create your own programs, you can create. But if you are an attacker, no, coder or non coder. So I am using the term hacker, ethical hacker. So They are getting it. Hackers are getting access of the system. There are multiple methods are there how you can access someone's computer. That is through network, that is through database, that is through web application, anything. That and all during the course you when you start the course you will learn one by one all these things. Network you will learn, network security you will learn, application you will learn, application security you will learn. So hacker, they will get access of the system and they will encrypt the data. Encrypting the data meaning hiding the content. With the code only you will able to decrypt it and read the content. That is called encryption. Encryption, when I am talking, hiding the data with some key. Who's having the key, they only can decrypt the data and they can read it. Clear it is?
Yeah, very much.
Okay. So when I'm talking about ransomware attack, there are two parts are there. One, get access. There is no specific method is mentioned. Any method use and get access. Once you get access, they will encrypt the data. So that is the second part. When you encrypt the data, who's having that key, they only can decrypt the data. Clear? So the hacker, what they are doing, they are getting access, first part, they are encrypting the hard disk, then will ask the money, the ransom amount they are asking. So if that person's whose computer is encrypted, your company's computer is encrypted, if they give the money, then only they will give that key to decrypt the data. If you are not getting the key to decrypt your data, means your hard disk is not at all usable. Even you cannot format it. Without key, you cannot do anything in your hard disk. You have to only option throw the hard disk. Now, what you are feeling? How to ransomware attack? What we can do?
The
There are two. Yes.
ransomware attack basically like it was happened. So there is a like a because Microsoft released like a some like a command for that for the operating system for the like a server, Windows server. So I ran the
Ransomware attack, there is not a command, there is not a tool. Any method they can access it, they can encrypt it. So only thing, the first thing, first part to avoid, you can secure a system. That is
Yeah,
during first day to last day you are learning. The
yeah,
second part, they will encrypt the system. So there are organizations nowadays, you said Microsoft, that is not a command, but Microsoft, and not only Microsoft, every operating system having an option. Before the attacker encrypt, organizations are encrypting the data. If specifically if you said Microsoft, then maybe you heard about BitLocker. BitLocker also, there are many organization, you all are working, many organization nowadays using BitLocker, means your own data you are encrypted. So attacker who get access, they will not able to encrypt your disk because that is already encrypted. This is also one of the second part to avoid encryption. You can only avoid your encrypt your hard disk. Now the second part, there are many organizations, they not prefer to encrypt. See, everything having pros and cons. If I am encrypting my own hard disk, I can ensure others are not others cannot encrypt it. Correct? But the other
yeah,
side, if I see, if I encrypt my hard disk, example 16 GB laptop when I am using, when I am encrypting my hard disk, so my hard disk will become, even I am using 16 GB RAM also, my hard disk will become very, very slow. Reason, everything, every file and folder when I open, that has to decrypt, then only it will get open. Correct? So for
exactly. Yeah,
me also, my computer will be very slow. Nowadays, everybody need very, very fast computers they need.
first,
So this
exactly.
is the reason usually employees, someone you, I think you only asked where I am working. I said I don't want to reveal where I am working, but I was with Reliance. One example related to this, I said when I, so Reliance, if you see everyone's computer, they are having BitLocker. So if you see
Yeah,
all the computers, even it is 16 GB RAM, the computer is very, very slow. So that
yes,
is the security point, it is good. but other way it is 16 GB computer if you are using, but you are getting only the effect of 8 GB RAM laptops. Okay.
Yeah, processing will be very fast, slow actually,
Yeah.
processing back.
So this is, but there is no in security. There is no single command. You said even Microsoft also. See, vulnerability meaning, example I'm taking, I'm using a laptop. I'm just telling anybody, if you are using a laptop, so you are using network, you are using operating system, maybe you are using database, maybe you are using internet, maybe you are using Google Chrome, so maybe you are using applications, maybe you are using MS Office. What all are things you are using Zoom, you are using Team Meet. Everything is vulnerable. There is no one method to ensure everything is secure. That's the reason security is in demand. So you are trained these 2 months, you are getting training how to secure an organization. Again, coming to the point, hackers and ethical hackers. You are not learning to be an hacker, but ethical hacker meaning without permission, if you are doing this attack, it is called hacker. With permission, if you are doing the thing, you are called ethical hacker. So hackers and ethical hackers are running the same tools. The process is same, only difference ethical hackers are doing with permission. The organization is asking you to do the testing. That's the reason. Hackers are doing without permission. They want to get the data. Is it clear, everyone? So now again, coding. I expected a question that I not got from this group. Coding is required or not? Coding, when you are talking about the hackers and ethical hackers, their purpose is to get access. Example, this is someone's home. Robber can enter inside. Is there any, see, how to enter is the task. What to do inside, there is no typical thing is there. You can take the money, you can take the utensil, you can take the cash, you can take the gold, whatever you want. How to enter inside is the task. Same here also. Hacker task is to get inside. And hacker is more into the programming, coding. How much more coding the hacker knows, how much more database hacker knows, how much more network hacker knows, how much more operating system hacker knows, he can do steal the data accordingly. Ethical hacker purpose is only to get access. There is no need to, example, I have to run one code and I can tell the company, I am able to run this code, that means this is vulnerable. My purpose is to, if I am able to run one tool, 1,000 tools run, 1,000 lines also program can run. But hackers, their purpose is to run the required function, tool and get the data. Is it clear? So, in short, hackers and ethical hacking, how much coding is required, that we will learn. Is it clear?
Yep.
So, that's the reason. Don't bother about the tools and all first. First, you have to understand what is the requirement, what is the basic concept. So, initial first module is a theoretical module where we are learning basics of cybersecurity. So this all the each line, whatever you learned here also, 4 or 5, whatever you learned today, all these things are the interview questions only. So in cyber security, there is no without any related topics we will never discuss here. All the topics what we are discussing, everything is an interview question. When practical parts comes, first we complete the module. Maybe it will take 3 days, maybe it will take 4 days. Then we will start the practical. Then once we start the practical, every day we are doing practicals only. Now anybody having any query, you can ask.
So which programming language we'll be using for?
You don't have to learn any of the programming language here. Wherever related, cybersecurity related. Now uh, programming language, actually, what is programming language? To make some function, correct? It is
Yes.
using to do some function. So that function, that program is already there with us. So that program you have to use. You don't have to write your own program to do the thing. Clear it is?
Yes.
So the related thing, wherever, example, if it is a JavaScript related testing, so I will share the JavaScript with you. You don't have to learn Java for that. If database related, see, reason I will tell you, it is not possible for anyone to, even example I am telling, there is a person, one person who's dealing with MySQL, one database. MySQL, he's a database administrator, he's dealing with MySQL. That person is not aware of about Oracle database, correct? Because he's an expert in MySQL, correct or wrong?
Yeah.
Oracle database related person they are taking for Oracle related work. MS SQL related person they are taking for MS SQL. So database administrators also not learning all the database. One database they are learning, they are doing work on that. But cybersecurity person has to do all the testing in every area. So related SQL commands, I will share it with you. Then you will get clarity. You don't have to learn. You are not learning any database, but you should know how to test a database. You are not doing any application. So you asked which program. There is no requirement. Any program if you know Python, you can you are getting one additional job where you can create Python related tools. But if you are not from the Python background, forget it. Programming language, there is not a certain. If you are good in Python, you can work with Python. If you are good in Ruby, you can work with Ruby. If you are good in Lua language, you can work with. If you are good in Java, so all the language there is no need to learn. The required commands and the required things will share it with you. How AI will impact on human intervention? AI, when it is coming, AI is helping cybersecurity tools nowadays. With AI, it is more advanced, we can say. So, AI is using in cybersecurity to make more precise tools we can create, like something to detect and all. The same thing, AI is having positive side and negative side. How for testing purpose we are included AI, similar method for attackers also using AI. So example, I can phishing mail when I'm telling. So sending a more convincing mail. Nowadays hackers are taking the data from the LinkedIn, Facebook and all, and they are making more accurate, more believable, more human sending, like that mails also they are sending and misusing it. So AI in security purpose using, attackers are using the same AI for hacking purpose. So there is no human requirement is there. Cybersecurity we will not able to without human being security tools cannot work here. But AI obviously including it. Nowadays, if you see, that is also one of the topic we added in the last module. AI is including in security. Anything else? Okay, I don't know why. What is the just it is written rat? It is written rat meaning remote access Trojan. So maybe it is related to the ransomware attack given. Ransomware attack. It is not only rat. Any method can use to get access and encrypt. Anything else? Anybody want to ask? Starting, there was some questions I said. Let me complete the topic. Then we will ask. Anybody having query, you can ask. Yeah, don't click any mail, but phishing mail is not the only method to do the attack. That is also one of the method. Anybody else from the starting there was so many questions was getting. Anybody want to ask anything? See, reason I will tell you, everyone's personalized is a topic related question. Obviously, we can answer together. But anyone's personal questions that we will keep it in the end. Anybody having any query, you can ask. If you are not having query, we can wind up the session here.
Okay, so what kind, can you please, Rima, tell me what kind of opportunity we'll be getting? Like what kind of for example, like a business analyst,
Okay,
right?
I think you are
Mhm.
asking about the job profile. Actually, this is already there in the demo session. There is
Okay.
one of the job profile is majorly focusing. See, there are multiple around 100, 200 profiles are there. But when you commonly
Mm-hmm.
said after completing this, what precisely you can apply. So when you're
Mm-hmm.
telling the major profile is PAPT, yeah, security analyst job it is.
Security analyst.
Security analyst meaning, yes, based on your experience, it can be. If anybody is, you said you are from the infrastructure.
Yeah.
Actually, your experience is not at all exactly different from this topic, correct?
Yeah, it's a kind of similar because the thing is add-on.
It's
That's the
connected.
reason.
How
Yeah, connected.
convincing you are, you can make. See, so related infrastructure related security testing, if you are going, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
security analyst you are going, then obviously they will consider your experience,
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you're right.
correct? That's
Yeah.
the reason earlier I said everybody, they based on their see, that is specific job I am telling. But
Mm-hmm.
common thing when I am telling a security analyst, that is not for any particular thing. That is for any industry common it is. So
Mm-hmm.
security analyst is one of the common job profile. Similar way, security assessor, that is usually for the auditing and all. SOC, that is for the monitoring purpose. Yeah, security monitoring it is. Security working on the log files and all comes in that.
Yeah.
And say, digital forensic is also one of the major profile, but usually mostly organizations will not prefer freshers for digital forensic, but there are organizations who's taking and they are giving training, and usually after 2 years experience only you can move to digital forensic. These are the major common profile. Again, you said anybody who's from the application background. So example, one person is good in Python. So that person can apply for jobs which is for developing security tools. Correct? But that
Yeah.
profile is not everyone. That is for
Exactly.
only person who's good in Python. If you are good in C++, again there are many organizations who's developing security tools in C++. There are many
Mm-hmm.
organization which is developing security tools in Ruby. So there is no particular language is required to do the work.
Mm-hmm.
But already if you are not from the programming background, there is no point to now start the programming.
See, I can see, Rima. The thing is like a security can set, fit with every domain basically. Every domain
That's
needs
the reason
security.
I am correct. You said
Yeah.
security is not for, see it. I will just give the example. Security person has to deal with cloud. So
Yeah.
AWS is there, Azure is there, Google Cloud is, DigitalOcean is there. Around 15-20 clouds are there. So it is
Exactly.
not, you don't have to learn all the cloud. You are only giving security to the cloud.
Mm-hmm.
Even the cloud consultant also there, they are not expert in all the cloud. Maybe AWS they are working, but security person has to work with all the cloud. Now,
Yeah.
without knowing the cloud, how to work with the cloud, security testing, that we are learning during the course.
Mhm.
That part you can leave to me.
Yeah.
That I will
So
tell you.
I go through one profile, basically endpoint security. So you will covering everything endpoint as well, right?
We are doing endpoint security. Endpoint security meaning the device security.
Mm-hmm.
Correct?
Mm-hmm.
Device security. That can be a mobile, that can be a laptop. Yeah, that can be a network device.
Yeah. So
That
actually, the thing is, I'll tell you what. Basically, like in server itself, because the thing is, the firewall setting is there inside of software setting. Actually, inside server.
see, all that things we will cover during our
Sure.
session.
Yeah. Fair. Sounds good. Yeah. Okay.
Endpoint security is already there.
Mm-hmm.
And one asked about the IAM. IAM is a topic. But again, how much deep you want to go? That if anyone's particular participants' requirement it is there, that also we can cover. I said not only IAM only. See, every top, see, there is certain topic we assign this during this time we will cover. But any particular person is asking, they want to know about this particular topic. That also we can discuss. We are having that much time.
I have one question.
Yes.
If a person having 10 years of experience and from different background, so how he can switch into this security job?
Okay, this is not only in security, everywhere this problem is there, one place to other place switching. I'm not telling, if I'm telling it's very smooth, then it is lying, correct?
Yeah.
So anyone, not only security, if you are going to AI is in huge demand. But you are having 10 years experience in other industry, you are moving to AI. AI is in demand. But you have to connect your experience with the AI, that is the task. Correct? So
Yes.
that is earlier he said he's from the infrastructure. So he can connect his experience. He also said he's, I don't know, 10, 15 years, whatever it is. He can connect easily with that. That is everyone's individual's capacity to convince a person. Correct? So now if you are, see, if you are good in security concept, so then that will not be a problem. Because anyway, see, you are expert in the your area, last 10 years experience. Correct? So
Yeah.
he said infrastructure. Infrastructure related security, he will get easily job. I'm not telling he's going for a common web application. He may not be, for a web application security, he may be a fresher. But infrastructure security, he is a experienced person. Correct? So now you said, what is your, what is your experience in which area you were?
Which domain you're from?
Yes. You asked, now you are having 10 years experience. I not noticed the name. Someone asked now the question. You are
Yeah.
having,
Can you hear me?
yeah, Pankaj.
Yeah. So actually, I am from data background.
See, data background, again, it is something related to this only, correct?
Mm-hmm.
That will not create that much problem. See, there are people who something totally different background. So there may be, see, anywhere, not only in security, that issue is there, one place to other switch over. See, job you will get, but somewhere salary compromise and all will happen when you are switching it initially. So data, you are from the data background, it is all similar. So Jubir, you asked the question, cyber security tools you are going to cover. Can you tell me which tool you know about security? Any tools you are having specific information, can you ask? Because the person who's not aware of the tool, if I talk about the tool, there is no point to discuss the tool. If Jabir, you are having any particular tool, all the security tool which is there using in the industry, that we will cover here. If you are having any specific question about any specific tool, I can answer it. All the tools which is using in the industry, anything, today, yeah, tomorrow, yeah, later, if you tell, we will cover that topic. It is already there. That already I discussed earlier also. So one testing purpose, there are multiple 10, 15 tools are there. I use the example IP address. Okay.
And one more thing.
Okay, proof point, MS Defender. So these all are not the cyber security tool. This is a very basic defender. It is correct. That is a product. It is what you are talking. It's a product.
Yeah, this is the Microsoft inbuilt tool, basically MS
Correct.
Defender.
Correct. MS Defender and proof point. All this is required. It's a particular product.
Hmm.
Cyber security tools. How to? I will tell you. If it is not connect. If I tell the tool also, it will not make any sense. These all are the usual tools which is using in the industry. I don't know how it is used. You can understand, that's the reason that will not make any sense if I discuss also. But only one thing I can say, what is required from the starting to ending to do a complete job, what is using in the industry, that we are using. Anybody else, any other question?
Yes, I have.
Yes.
Uh, my question was uh, like I have to show some experience in, any kind of fake experience in security, and then I have to switch into the that particular domain. But like suppose that person is having X package, and again, like in secure changing the job into security, so
See,
his
Pankaj, that
package will
is
be
not
reduced.
only in security, it is, see, example, we already discussed this point. Example, Pankaj, you are getting 1 lakh per month. Example, when you are
Hmm.
applying for a cyber security job, all the job they will not offer you 1 lakh per month, correct? So
Yeah.
there are something you have to search where MS defend, whatever it is, whatever your previous experience. What is, you said you're working with data, correct?
Hmm.
So data related companies, if a database security, a data security related jobs, if you are searching, then you can ask for the money because your previous experience they will count. But if you are
Okay.
going for example, if you are going for a financial company and if you are asking the your experience will not, previous experience may not count there, correct? Example, I am working in a finance department as an accountant and I am moving to cyber security. So my previous experience nothing to do with cyber security, correct?
Yeah.
But still I am applying for a financial institute cyber security, 100 percentage they will prefer your profile. There are
Yeah,
financial
most.
institutes, banks and all cyber security,
Exactly.
they will prefer people who's from the
Yep,
financial background.
that's true.
So that
So
and
actually,
all, it is not only in cyber security, it's every job the same thing applies.
Mhm.
That is that, see, that is totally depending on how you can convince the person, and you have to search the related job when you apply. I said I am from financial background and I am applying a job where I am telling I am 10 years experience, that will not count there. But if I am applying a job in a bank or any financial institute and I am telling my experience is this much is there, I can apply for a experience job. They will count my experience.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
And
Recent,
I think for the like cybersecurity, like more demand in banking sector, they need people.
but recent and now everything is online only happening, so it's in demand. Not only, if you see the finance department, what you said, it is in huge demand. So see, not only in finance, everywhere nowadays, without internet
Mm.
organization, any
Hmm.
organization is working without internet, any
Exactly.
organization is working without database,
Yeah.
it's not there. So that's the reason opportunities are more in cybersecurity. If it is a web developer company, they are developing a software. Secure software development is required. So security person is required. Anything else anybody want to ask?
Ma'am, I mean, you are showing the tools, ma'am. Nmap, it's scanning the
Yeah, tools
URL.
and all, it's better we will discuss during the session because there are parties. See, if I am discussing about Nmap now, that will not make any sense here. Correct?
Wireshark, and this all things are networking related.
All the tools what is using in the industry we will use during the session. What
Okay.
is required to work in the industry, that tools we will discuss here.
Okay.
Now individual tools also if I discuss, that will not make any sense. Network related, database related, web application related,
Yeah,
uh,
Wi-Fi
all
related
this
and
now
SQL injection.
tools part I don't want to discuss, that's for some other batch I opened, because without uh, uh, giving the concept, yeah, making the concept, if I discuss about the tools, tool is a name, correct?
Well,
Now why
another
it is
excess.
using all that thing, it is better when you go for the once we start the session, then it will make sense.
Okay.
Only thing I can guarantee, what is using in the industry, any tool name if you see, that is on our list.
Is it means website? If you are showing me vulnerability on website, is it a means which is a updated website you're going to show, or
Updated website, what is the meaning? What do you mean
what
by updated? No, I just
means
understanding I'm asking.
yeah. Sorry to tell you, ma'am. Sorry, my explanation was not good.
No,
Means
no, no. I
I'm
just clarity
what
I
I'm
asked.
telling. Yeah, yeah. what I am telling means live and one more thing, which is
Okay,
uh,
I will tell you. There is
pro.
actually some misunderstanding. You
Yeah,
asked me to,
misunderstand. Yeah, what I am
no,
telling
that
was
there is no clarity for you. That's the reason that question is there. You
yeah,
are
yeah.
only learning how to do testing. I cannot show the testing in Facebook, correct? Because they not given me permission. If I show you, I will be in jail, you will be in jail.
Okay,
Cybersecurity we cannot do in anyone's company without permission. So there are certain websites are there where I can show you. That is updated, not update. See, updated meaning what? There are website which is not secured. That website, see, if it is a secure website, the first thing, how can I show you that problem? To show the problem, that should not be updated. They are purposely kept it not updated one. Update,
yeah,
not updated word. It is not secured one.
yeah. Updated also you can check it
No,
using
updated
a
word is not there, no,
brute
because it
force.
is
Ah,
secured
yes,
or
ma'am.
not secured.
Why
I can show
bug
you
suit?
the thing which is only in secured, not secured place. If it is secured, then how can I show that?
Bug suit. You can scan over there.
I know you maybe know certain tools, but
Yeah,
just understand we can show
okay,
only the vulnerability in certain places where I have to show the vulnerability. I have to
okay,
show
ma'am.
them how to test it. I am not supposed to do it in any of the company's website. It is illegal. If I show it,
Okay,
I will be in jail because they are also having monitoring. So if
okay.
you are doing without their permission, then you are not ethical hacker. You are hacker. We are
Mm.
not learning hacking course.
Even we
Hacking,
need to think like an hacker only, ma'am,
think
when
like
you are
an
doing
hacker, but all the things we are doing in certain live websites only you will do. Your purpose is to learn it, not to do. There are many participants who's asking to crack the WhatsApp, to do the Facebook, LinkedIn and all. That is your choice. After learning the course, it's your choice. You can do the attack in Facebook or not. But during the training, we are not allowed to work in any of the website without permission.
okay.
There are 200, 300 other things are there where you can do the testing. It's not a mandatory, this is not a requirement.
Okay.
And after the course, it's your choice. You can be a hacker, ethical hacker. You are having the choice. But during the session, we will not do in any of the website without permission.
Why I'm asking updated means the thing is I am in a testing field, ma'am. I'm a automation tester and even a manual I do
So
because
you don't have to
I
worry. I
can't.
said what is required
Yeah,
for testing that we are learning here. How to be an
yeah,
ethical hacker.
because
That
I want
guarantee.
to be, I want to
No,
learn next level. That's why
no,
I
next,
want to
see,
join
I think you are Raji. What is your name?
Rajiv, Rajiv.
Rajiv, there is no next level. Once
Not the
no,
next level,
I will
ma'am.
tell you.
To
No, Rajiv,
upgrade, ma'am.
Rajiv,
Upgrade. I mean to say upgrade
yeah, Rajiv,
my skill.
I will tell you. You are learning how to do testing, security testing. That you are learning here. 2 months,
Yeah,
correct?
ma'am.
You can start a job. There is no upgradation is not there. There is no upgraded course is there. Your experience is making you upgraded.
Yeah,
Clear it
that's
is?
why I'm telling. It
So
means
the testing no, that you have to do the practice, that you have to do the job. To do a testing job, you are learning entire thing in 2 months. You can start the
okay,
job. When you become upgraded and expert, when the 5 days maybe you are not upgraded, that means you are not having enough practice. It will take 5 days to do the testing. Once you are experienced, the same thing you can do in 1 day. That you will get through practice and experience. There is no other course is there. Okay, I think we can wind up the session. Remaining things we can discuss in a tomorrow session. No, next session.
Yes, Rimaga, I'll just like take a moment here.
Yeah.
Hello everyone, this is Karthik again. I just like wanna show you something. Okay, so just be with me for the next 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, so the batch is started today and this is our first session. Okay, generally the batch timings are morning 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. IST. Okay, so only today like we have gone for the evening session and the next session will be on Friday. Okay, next session will be on Friday. Friday also we have session in the evening itself. Okay, these two classes we are having in the evening, and from the next session Monday, that is the 22nd. Okay, from this 22nd session, every session will be in the morning itself. That is morning 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. IST. Okay, and as I said you, there is some special offer is available today. Whoever is going to enroll for this program today, you are going to get a 15% flat discount as well. Okay, you are going to get 15% flat discount. That means you are going to pay only 14,450 rupees only. Okay, you are going to pay only 14,450 rupees, and we will be helping you for the job assistance as well. So this time we are launching, our new job portal as well. Okay, I'm just showing you like how the job portal is. Okay, this is our job portal. It is not yet live, but I'm just like showing you, how it will be. Okay, so this is our page. Sorry, yeah, still we are building this one. It is it is under development itself. Mostly in 3 to 4 days we will be making it live. Okay, you can see here for all our trainings, like whatever the courses we are offering, these are the courses, right? On all these courses we are shortlisting the opportunities. Like if you can see here SAP FICO 3 to 5 years, Power BI 3 to 5 years, Python full stack developer 1 to 2 years. Okay, in this way we will be adding all our job portals. I mean all our courses, whatever the courses we have, for all the courses we will be adding the jobs like this. We will find out the jobs for you, we will find out the skill set for you, and we will be adding here, so that you can easily find out the jobs from our website directly, and you can apply to them. You can see here they are like, we are giving the like this one filters as well for you to make it more easier. Okay, if you can just select SAP, you will be able to see only SAP job openings. Power BI, only Power BI. AWS data engineering, only AWS data engineering. If you want to go for full time, only full time will be there. Okay, even if you want some kind of specific locations also, yes, you can just filter the location and you can apply for that.
But
And
this is
even
only
next,
for India, right?
sorry,
This for only India, right?
right now, like just now we are launching, right? So we are going with only India right now.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay, so this is how like we will be helping you for your job openings as well. Okay, so yeah, these are the things that we'll
I
be
think
doing.
I think Raj, sorry, Karthik, right?
Yeah, this is Karthik. Please go ahead.
Okay,
Yeah.
Karthik, I think you can help in the same manner like from Canada as well, right? So you're just fetching the like all the like
Yes, yes. See, we have students from US, UK, Canada, okay, and
Mhm.
other countries as well. So
Mhm.
surely we will be adding those things also. Okay.
Mhm.
But right now it is just in the initial stage, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
this is,
yeah,
see,
agree.
even this page is also not on live. Okay. So I
Yeah, yeah, no
have
problem.
the, yes, I have the like admin access. So I'm just
Mhm.
like showing it to you. Okay. So this is how like the portal will be. And even like by, see, to complete your batch, it will take you 2 months for sure. So
Mhm.
within 2 months, like surely we'll develop this page, and like what are the possibilities we can be, it can be done at that time. So surely we'll be doing that. No need to worry about that.
Yeah, yeah. Thanks, Karthik.
Okay. So today you can plan your enrollment and you can go for the payment as well. Okay. So to make the payment, you can just contact me here on this number. 8105296858. This is our calling and WhatsApp number. We will be available on this number 8105296858. You can take a screenshot. Okay. So on this number, we will be available over chat and the call as well. And you can complete your enrollment today, and you can start your preparation, and you can go ahead for the next sessions as well. Okay, and whatever the page I have shown you, this page is for only our enrolled students, not for everyone. Okay, so right now we are launching it for only our enrolled students. Okay, I'll just show you like how to access the recordings and all also. So the people who already enrolled here, so I just like want to show you here. One second, I'll show you from first. Give me a moment. Okay, this is our website. Okay, this is our website. In the right top corner, you can see sign up with Google. So click on sign up with Google. Always select sign in with Google option only. Okay, don't give any email ID or password. This page is for ours. I mean, that means for admin team. For only admin team will be using these two things. You should always go with sign in with Google option only. Okay, click on sign in with Google. If you have already logged in with your mail ID, it will directly take login. I have all these mail IDs logged in here. So it is asking me to choose login. So this is my mail ID. I have given this mail ID for registration. So I'm just clicking on this mail. I'm just clicking on this mail. Okay, so this is the enrolled courses page where whatever the enrolled courses will be there, the complete enrolled courses will be available here. As I am the admin, I have all the courses access here. But for you, you will be able to see only this cyber security online training batch number 3. Only you will be able to see this thing. If you just click on that, okay, you can see start learning and complete course. Click on start learning. Click on start learning. Okay, it will take you to this page. Here you can see session 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40 drop downs. Click on that. We have uploaded the first 10 classes videos to you. These are locked. So we have just uploaded the first 10 classes videos to you to just for your reference. See, you people enrolled like a long back, right? Like I think 1 week back, you people got enrolled already. So for you people, so to just like engage the content before the batch start, we just like wanna give you all these lectures to you, first 10 classes lectures. Today we are done with first session, right? This session recording will be replaced here in the session 1 place. Okay. Next session 2 will be replaced. Like after session 2 completes, session 2 will replace. The same way, all the sessions will replace actually. Even though it is 0 seconds here, you can click on this, you will be able to see the video. This video is from previous batch, okay? This video is from previous batch. Just give me a second. Today my network is bad. Okay, so this is how you can see the video here, and below the video itself you can see the download button as well. You can click on the download and you can go to the material also. Whatever the material is available for this particular session, that material will be available here. Okay, right now we haven't uploaded, so there is no material here. If there is any material available for this particular session, it will be available here. On each and every video below, the same thing you will get it. Okay, this is how we will be providing the recordings and materials also. You can access these videos and material for lifetime. Okay, there is no expiry date for these things. It is not for only 3 months, 1 year or 2 years like that. It will be for lifetime. So any questions from anyone?
Karthik, can you please, if it's possible, like, can you please send me the demo link if it's possible, like, so that I can go
Yeah,
through
sure,
because I didn't.
definitely. So this is the demo link actually. If you just visit Raj Cloud Technologies, the first video, if you go to the video section, the first video itself here, okay, you can see here, you can just, I'm just sharing the link also.
Sure.
Give me a moment.
Thank you.
Sharing the chat.
Mhm.
Okay, so here is a demo session link also. If you want, you can save the link. I have just like
Yeah.
shared you in a Zoom chat.
May I save it? Thank you.
Yeah. So still any questions from anyone? See, today the offer is available, okay? This 15% flat discount is available today. So if you enroll today, you are going to get this 15% discount. So as the course price is 17,000 rupees, as the course price is 17,000 rupees, you are going to pay only 14,450 rupees today. That's it. Okay? Yeah. Still any questions from anyone?
What is the bank details and all?
Sorry, come again, please.
What are the bank details?
Yeah, for
That you-
bank details, yes. Give me a moment. I'll share you the bank
And
details
and
over.
if you don't mind, Karthik, I want to attend, for a Friday class as well. So then I'll make the payment on Friday if it's okay.
Sorry, the Friday session is not public session actually. We have given enough demos already. If you can see my screen, give me a moment. We have given enough demos actually. Just go to here, you can see here we have given one demo. Okay. If you just scroll down here, we have given one demo. Okay. If you just scroll down once again, we have given another demo as well. See here we have given another demo. 2 weeks ago we have given demo, and like 10 days ago we have given a demo, and 1 day ago also we have given a demo. So enough demos are done already. And
Uh,
today is the first session as well.
Hello.
Yeah, please. Pankaj, go ahead. Yeah.
So if I mean, if timing is not suitable for anyone, I mean someone, then you have
Be
any like,
getting you will be getting a recordings actually daily, like we will be uploading the recordings to you. Okay, so where you people can access these recordings and you can see, Joy, see, suppose we have 5 days in a week, right? In a 5 days in a week, just try to join at least one class on Thursday or on Friday, like whenever it is possible. Whatever the doubts you have, whatever the doubts like you have done, see, we'll be uploading the recordings to you, right? You can complete that recording in your free time. And like what are the doubts you have, you can note down and you can ask, or else you can post in the group and you can get the replies as well.
So you don't have any evening batch?
No, please. Rema is currently working. Okay, so she's unable to see even today. Also, she has a call after 8:45, so she left the meeting. So like evening, she'll be completely occupied. That is the reason why we haven't gone any evening session till now.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Yes. Yes.
And
Thank you.
Karthik, this is very much sure. Like on the Friday, it would be a evening class, and after that, it would be a morning, right? IST, I'm talking about, right?
Correct. Correct. Yes.
So with the during the 2 months, it would be a morning class itself, right?
Yeah. Completely like morning classes only.
Yeah, for me, it suits me. It suits me. I don't have any problem.
Mhm. Done. So still anyone having any questions? Alavi, have you dropped your number?
Yeah, yeah, already I did.
Okay. Okay. Done. Yes. Yeah.
My full name is Ravi Shankar. Is there? If you check. Yes, send me like once you get my details, send me one to one like you bank details.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir. For example, tomorrow, for example, if you have a class, then tomorrow, if, for example, we miss the class, then that recording will be there, no, sir?
Yeah, see, every day the recording will be posted to you. I'll just show you one WhatsApp group as well. Give me a moment.
That will be a live session also. For example, if I want to attend class tomorrow, that will be live also, no, sir?
I don't understand your question, please.
Sir, tomorrow it will be live. If I missed, it will be not recorded video, no, sir. You are not posting recorded videos, no.
See, recorded video is nothing, but see, today we have done a session, right?
Yes, sir.
Today, like evening from 8 p.m. to, 7 p.m. to like till 9 p.m. we have done a session. Suppose you
Yes.
missed this class. Whatever
Yes,
the
sir.
class we have recorded, see, even you can see the current session is also recording. Okay?
Yes.
This session recording, we will be posting to you. The same
Okay, sir.
video will be uploaded actually.
So for if you have doubts, then another doubt session we will
Ask in the next session. You should ask in the next session. We don't have any possibility, right? Or else you can see, you can post in the group. This is a group, okay? This is our second batch group actually. You can see there are like many things that we have posted here already about the materials, soft copies, and the resumes. Every day, like whenever the meeting starts, we'll be posting a message as well to remind you. Okay, like once after the video uploads, you can see 36 video is already uploaded. In the same way, 35 video is uploaded. So in the same way, we will be posting every day and we'll be notifying you. You can see the resumes. Okay, these are the sample resumes. Okay, so this is how we will be notifying you. These are the things that you needed like at the end of the sessions. So all the things will be posting here. The 34 video is uploaded, 33, 32. Okay, so this is a group like where you people can ask your doubts, post your queries. Okay, everything you can post like this. The same your batch will also will be getting the same group as well like this, and you can post all your questions here and it will be get cleared. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Still any questions from anyone, please?
So after completing the course, how to apply in Naukri and in your job
Yeah, we
portal?
will guide you. We will guide you about that. No need to worry.
Is there any particular member, sir, to guide us, or else only the faculty who are?
I'm the one actually.
Okay, thank you, sir. Okay. For
Yeah.
all courses, you are only, sir.
Yeah, for all courses, see, I'm the team lead here and I'm the business development manager as well. So I will be helping you for the complete things for the career guidance program, everything I'll be available. No need to worry.
Okay, Karthik, one more thing actually. Like, do you have the list of all the courses which you have with the fee structure? Can you please share with
Yes, we do have. I'll be
because
sharing you. You have dropped your
yeah,
number, right? You can just like message me or else I'll message you right after the session. You'll get the
okay,
things, okay? No need to worry. Or
yeah,
else
because
see,
the thing is
there is a
my
website.
ex my ex colleagues are there, so they're all might be they're interested, right? So I will share all
Mhm.
and as
Yeah,
well.
I'll share you a message as well. If they wanted to see more details about the program and everything, okay, you
Mhm.
can just come to the website. This is our website and this is the home page. If you just scroll down here, you can see software trainings we are offering. You can see each and every
Mhm.
course name and the price as well. Okay,
Oh, okay.
generative AI 35K,
All right.
IDQ and CDQ, 11,000 to 12,000 to 25,000. The same
Mhm.
way, all the courses prices, everything is available. If you just click on the course, that
Mhm.
particular course page will open again, and whatever the details in detail of that particular program you can see here in this page. This is about the
And
Power
every
BI.
every course having a demo as well, right?
Yeah, every course we will be having a separate demo, separate instructor profile, everything will be there, no need to worry.
And the whole curriculum, what will be like teaching down
Yes, yes,
during
yes.
that?
In each and every page you can see the download syllabus here, or like you can ask them to
Mhm.
contact me on this number. I'll send you the curriculums
Right.
as well, whatever the courses they
Okay.
require. Even they can download by visiting our website, or else they can
Mhm.
contact me on this number. Me and my team will be helping about that.
So can we
That's
see
amazing.
any alumni who are placed in nice companies for all
Yeah, you can
courses?
see many reviews here. Okay, if you just go to Google and search for Raj Informatica, search for Raj Informatica, you can see there are 1,444 Google reviews are there. Okay,
Any
you can see 1,444 reviews are there.
student
On these
testimonial?
1,444 reviews, average is 4.9 stars. Okay, you can just click on this. Okay, you can see here. So how they have given the reviews, everything you can see here. Okay, so this is how like we have just given the best experience to all our students. Okay, yeah.
Like any testimonials and their package, they cracked the
Yeah,
interviews. Like
you can just see here in our website as well. Okay, you can see on our website homepage as well. Okay, there are many things are there. See, we placed like more than 8,500 plus students in last 4.5 years.
How
Okay,
many? 5,000 students.
8,500 plus students like we placed actually. You can see here all our reviews. If you just click
Hmm.
on this review, it will take you to the Google page. I have shown you the Google review, right? If you just click on this, it will take you to the Google review as well.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, these are the few reviews available here. You can see with the date as well. On which date they have given the review also you can see.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Makes sense. Yeah.
So hope I have given the complete information about all our trainings and all. Okay. Thank you so much for joining the session today. If you have any questions, please contact me on this number 8105296858. Okay.
Mhm.
And you'll get the complete information about the program.
Right, Karthik. Thank you so much. And there is no class tomorrow. It would be a day after tomorrow.
Yes. Correct. Yes.
Right, Karthik. Same time. Okay.
Great. Thank you so much. Thanks everyone.
Thank
Bye.
thank
Yeah.
you, everyone. Okay, bye-bye.